What's up guys, Mike Tech Tactical. Thanks for stopping by the channel. So today we're going to be taking a look at these Apple Airpods Pro. So I got these right here. It's $250. Everybody knows the price already. $250 for these things. The most expensive earbuds, headphones, whatever you want to call it that I've ever gotten. But they say these are the Pro version. It has noise canceling, transparency, the H1 chip of course for your iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro Max, and we're going to take a look at it today. So we're just going to do an unboxing, a little setup, and we'll get on with it. So to go and unbox this, you're just going to pull this tab right here on the side, right alongside the Apple logo, and you're just going to keep pulling until all the plastic's off. Remove that, and that's it. Move that aside. And we're gonna open the box just like this. Opens up pretty easily, but slowly, of course. So looks like you got some paperwork here, your usual books and stuff, just like what Flossie Carter says. I'm gonna put that aside. And here's the AirPod case. I'm gonna put that aside real quick and see what else is under here. And I see you got your USB Type-C to Lightning connector. Nope. Alright. This has no... And these are the earbuds right here. So you guys can change out earbuds from small, medium, or large. We'll set those right there. Nothing else in the box. No adapter, no charging adapter. Seems like Apple is with their little antics again of us spending more money to buy an adapter for these things. It's already $250. But let's go ahead and unwrap the AirPods. Alright. Has a nice weight to it. As you can see here, nice glossy white color. There's your LED right there. Here's your lightning port connector. Where you're going to connect it to charge it up, and I guess this to turn it on right here. Okay, and this is capable of wirelessly charging. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm going to go ahead and set this up for everybody. Alright, so I do apologize for the harsh lighting from the phone. I'm going to go ahead and turn that down all the way, not all the way down, but I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And it should automatically connect. Don't have to do anything, don't have to turn on the Bluetooth. I'm just going to hit connect. So it gives you a tutorial what you should do with the earbuds. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Let's go double check if it is connected. And of course it is connected. Alright, AirPods Pro. And let's take it out real quick. Now, they said these are shorter, as you can see in pictures. This is the right side, and I believe this is the left side right here. Alright, so let's put this right there. So there you guys go. Nice little look of the AirPods of the right and left. Nice, and they have a little weight to it, not too heavy. Let me go ahead and put these on to my left and right ears. Alright. Okay. Now, wow, okay. From the beginning, I can tell you right now, these things sound, I wouldn't say sound, but I can feel, or I can have a sense that it's sealed off. I don't hear the background noise or anything like that of my air conditioner, but it's really nice. I like the sense that it's closed off, but it also has the transparency feature. So I'm gonna play around with this, guys, but for the most part this was just an unboxing to show you guys what I got today, the AirPods Pro. I really do like them. I like the fit, I like the finish, I like how they actually feel in hand. And for the most part, $250, I think it's a pretty good deal. But I wish that Apple, if you're listening, I know I'm a small channel YouTuber, but If you guys are listening, Apple, and make sure you put like an adapter in there for 250 bucks. I'm pretty sure you can add an adapter. Anyways, this is Mike Tech Tactical. Thanks for stopping by. Hit the like button, let me know in the comment sections down below how you guys feel about this product and how I did as far as the video unboxing. And make sure you guys subscribe. Again, this is Mike Tech Tactical. Peace.